Good morning, children. In the previous classes, we have studied about verb and its kinds, and adverbs and its kinds, and adjective and its kinds. Based on those topics, we are going to have second assignment. Here, first question is underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kinds. First one, the aeroplane flies above the clouds. Second one, I met my friend yesterday. Third one, the girl slept peacefully. Fourth one, Virat played very well in the final match. Fifth one, Sunil sang melodiously. Sixth one, he waited here for his parents. Seventh one, she watched the movie 3 days ago. Eighth one, the boy lost his pen somewhere. Ninth one, Kiran painted beautifully. 10th one, my father will come tomorrow. These are the sentences having adverbs. You have to underline them and write their kinds below the sentence. It is first one. Second one is circle the adjectives in the following sentences. You have to find the adjective and circle it after writing these sentences in your notebook. First one, this is a pretty dress. Second one, he bought a new car. Third one, India is the 7th largest country. Fourth one, he asked for some rice. Fifth one, Sudha has 2 pets in her home. Sixth one, the dolphin is a wise animal. Seventh one, Suresh presented a beautiful gift. Eighth one, we eat healthy food. Ninth one, the child drank little juice. 10th one, the farmer looked at the sky. The farmer looked at the blue sky for rain. 11th one, Indian soldiers are brave. 12th one, Akash is a tall boy. These are the sentences having adjectives. You have to find the adjective and circle it after writing sentence in your notebook. Next one, it is a table chart based on words. Complete the table with the correct verb forms. There are 4 forms: basic form, past participle form and present participle form. I had given you only 3. Present, past and participle, and ing form is identified easily. So you have to write these 3 forms based on the given word. Present, past and participle. Here present form is go. Rest of the 2 are empty. You have to write the past tense form and participle form. And first 2 are empty and participle form is given here eaten. And first one is empty and second one is ran and third one is empty. You have to write the rest of the 2. Now present form is come and the rest of the 2 are empty. You have to write here. The first 2 are empty and third one is looked. You have to write the remaining 2. First one is push and past form and participle form you have to write. First one is empty and second one is took. Third one is also empty. You have to write the present form and participle form of the given verb. The first 2 are empty, last one is given. What is the present form and past form of the given word? Here it is given. Next one, wash. The rest of the 2, past and participle, are blank. You have to write the past form and participle form. Here first 2 are empty, present form and past form. The participle form is spoken. You have to write the present form and past form. The last one is write. The present form of the verb is write and the past form and participle form are empty. You have to write them. This is home assignment 2. You have to write it neatly in a separate notebook and it will be checked very soon with the help of WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.